Good morning students. Hope you are revising your tables every day. So today we will start with our new chapter, that is multiples and factors. In this chapter also multiplication tables is very important. So we will begin with our new lesson, chapter 6, multiple and factors. So I will start explaining what is multiples. Multiples means tables. If you are asked to write down the first 6 multiples of the following, means you have to write the table of the 7 till how much? 6 times. Okay, like this. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42. So these are the multiples of 7. How many multiples we have to write? 6. So we have written the 6 multiples of 7, that is the table of 7 till 6, like 7 6 are 42. Next again we have to write the multiple of 6, means table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. So this is the multiples of 6. Till how much we have to write 6 multiples, right? So we have written till 6. 6 6 are 36. Next you have to write the multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60. So this is the multiple of 10. Till 6 multiples we have to write. So 10 6 are 60. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. B. Form multiples of these numbers. Okay, form multiples also the same. We have to write the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48. Okay, next we have to again write the multiples. We have to find the multiples of 9, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. This is already given in the question. Now we have to write further. 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54. Okay. So first topic, that is multiples, means we have to write the table of that number, that is 7 or 6, whatever it is asked, like 9. So we have written the table of 9. Now our next topic is factors. What is factors? Okay, let us understand this by an example. Okay, from the multiplication table I take an example that 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. Means 15 is a multiple of 3 as well as 5. 15 comes in the table of 3. 15 comes as well as in the table of 5. Or 15 is exactly divisible by 3. 15 is exactly divisible by 5. You can say that. So 3 and 5 are the factors. 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Now also we know that 1 also divide 15. Okay. So 1 is also a factor of 15. For every number 1 will be the factor, because 1 divide every number, whether we take 10, 15, 20 or 18, it always divide. Okay, and the number itself, okay, 15 is also a factor of 15. Okay, once again I will explain. Factors means if I take by an example 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15, means 15 is exactly divisible by 3 as well as 5, and 15 is also divisible by 1. Any number is divisible by 1 and the number itself is also divisible. Okay, so the factors of, I say, write the factors of 15 are 1. Okay, then 3, then 5 and 15 itself. Every number has 1 and 15 and the number number itself as a factors, and other are what it exactly divide that number. That 3 divides 15 and 5 also can divide 15. Okay, so factors are this. So now we can take an exam question. Write true or false. So first one is 6 is a factor of 24. Can we say yes or no? So I have told you that can 6 divide 24? Yes, 6 fours are 24. In the table of 6, 24 comes, that is 6 fours are 24. So the answer is true. Okay, third question. 3 is a factor of 6? Yes or no? Yes, 3 is a factor of 6. That is, in the table of 3, 6 comes and we can easily divide 6 by 3. Okay, so answer will be true. Now what is next question? 10 is a factor of 24. Thus, in the table of 10, 24 comes? No. So, 10 is not a factor of 24. Hope you have understood what is factor. Means the number that divides the other number exactly. Okay. Our next question is find the factors. We have to find the factors. So I have told you factors means the first number 1. The 1 exactly divides 28 as well as the last factor will be 28. That is the number itself. Now we will find the other factors. Okay. That is 28 comes in the table of which number? Like 2. Does in the table of, we will start with the 2. Does in the table of 2 28 comes? Yes. 2 14s are 28. Okay. Now next. Does in the table of 3 28 comes? No. In the table of 4 7s are 28. Next 5. Does in the table of 5 24 comes? 28 comes? No. Then 26? No. Then 7 4s are 28. Next number. After 7 8. No. In the table of 9 28 comes? No. 10 no. 11 12 13 14. In the table of 14, 28 comes, 14 2s are 28. So, what are the factors? 2, 4, 7 and 14 are the factors of 28. Means it comes in the table of 1, 28 comes in the table of 1, in 2, in 4, in 7, 14 as well as 28. Itself. Okay. Now again we will write the factors of next question 36. What is the next question? 36. So in the table of 2 does 36 come? Yes. 2 18s are 36. The first factor. Second, does in the table of 3 36 comes? Yes. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Next, does in the table of 5? No. Then 6? Yes. 6 6s are 36. 7 no. 8 no. Then 9 4s are 36. We can write opposite. 4 9s are. Then 9 4s are. Okay. 3 12s are. Then 12 3s are. Okay. Then 36. 12 3s are, then 18 2s are. Okay. And the number itself as well as 1. So the factors of 36 are 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and the number itself. Okay. Understood? Then let's see question. Find the missing factors. Okay. That how to find? In the table of 9 when does the 27 comes? As you know 9 3s are 27. So what we will write here? 3 9s are 27. In the table of 7 when does the 14 comes? 2 times 1 0. Okay. In the table of 8 when does the 96 come? If you don't know, you can do by division also like this. Divide 96 by 8. Okay. So 8 ones are 8. Subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring 6 down. 8 twos are 16. Okay. So in the table of 8, when does the 96 come? 12 times. Okay. 7 5s are 35. Okay. In the table of 4, when does the 100 come? If you don't know, just simply divide. 4 twos are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Will bring 0 down. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So in the table of 4, when does the 100 comes? 25. Okay. 25 4s are 100. Okay. So I write some numbers here. What do you understand by these numbers? 3, 5, 7, okay, 4, 8, 10, 12, okay, 11 here. What do you understand by these numbers? Okay, by these numbers we understand like 3 has only 2 factors, that is the number 1 and the number itself. Same way if I say 5, okay, 5 is also having 2 factors, that is number 1 and the number itself. Okay, 7 also, if I say 7, 7 comes in table of 1 as well as in the table of itself. Okay, now what do you understand by this number? 4. So it has more than 2 factors, that is 1, it is coming in the table of 2 as well as itself. Like if I say 8, okay, it comes in the table of 1, 2, 4, 8. So these are having more factors. Okay, more than 2 factors, where it is having only how many factors? 2. That is the 1 and the number itself. So those numbers that are having only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Okay, and those who are having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Okay, so number having only 2 factors are called prime numbers and the number having more than 2 factors are called composite number. If I ask you, is 21 is a prime number or a composite number? So what you will say? That it comes in the table of 1, 3, 7 and the itself. Okay, so this number is a composite number. But if I ask, what is 31? Is it a prime number or a composite number? So it doesn't come in the table, any table, it is only come in the table of 1 and 31. So it is which number? Prime number. Okay students. So now we will do the next question. Find the HCF of 13 and 39. HCF means highest common factor. What is highest? That we will write in as a HCF. Okay. So how we will do? First we will write the common factors of 13. Okay. 13 comes in the table of 1 and itself. Okay. So it is a which number? Prime number. Now 39. Okay. It comes in the table of 1. It comes in the table of 3. It comes in the table of 13 as well as itself. Okay. So what is common in both the here? 1 is common and what is common? 13. What are common factors? 1 and 13. But we have to write not the common factor, we have to write highest common factor. So what is greatest in this number? 1 and 13 is 13. So HCF is what? 13. Same way we will do the next question. So 14 and 28. So we will write okay the factors of 14, that is 1, 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14 and the number itself. Now for 28, 28 comes in the table of 1, it comes in the table of 2, it comes in the table of 4 7s are 28, it comes in the table of 7 4s are 28 Okay, it comes in the table of 14. Okay, and then 28 itself. Okay, now we'll find the common factors. What are common? 1, then 2, then 7 is common, and 14 is common. Okay, what is highest? These are common factors, but we have to find what? HCF. The highest is what? 14. So your answer is 14. Okay, we have two methods in this, that is find the HCF by common factor method, and second find the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, we will see prime factorization method. For prime factorization method, what we'll do? Write 14 like this. Okay, in the table of 2, 14 comes, we'll start with the 2. Yes, in the table of 2, 14 comes, 2, 7 is 14. Okay, 2, 7 is 14. Okay, now 7 comes in the table of 7 only, that is 7 here. 7 comes in the table of 7 how many times? 1 time. So 7 1 is 7. Okay, in the table of 2, when does the 14 come? 7 times we will write down. Okay, now we'll see 7 comes in the table of 7, so 7 1 is 7. Okay, when the 1 comes, we'll stop and do the next thing. Okay, in whose table 21 comes? In the table of 2 it doesn't come, in the table of 3. When comes 3, 7 are 21. Where you write 7? Down. Okay, now again 7 comes in the table of 7 only, that is 1. So we write 1, 3. Now next number 28. Okay, this 28 comes in the table of 2. Yes, 28, 14. Okay, so now as in the table of 2, 14 comes. Yes, 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Answer we will write down. Okay, now in the table of 7, 7 comes only in the table of 7. That is, when does the 7 comes in the table of 7? 1 time. So we are writing 1 here. Okay, now how to write? 14 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied 1. This numbers we will take. 21, 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. Okay, now 28. These numbers 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. Now we will take the common factors of all. This 2 is common in 14 and 28, but it is not common. There is no 2, we can't take. Okay, the number that is common in all the 3. So which number is common in all the 3? Only 7 and 1. So HCF is 7 multiplied 1 is equals to 7. Okay. Now we will do LCM. Find the LCM of 6 and 12. LCM means lowest common multiple. Multiples means table of 6 and 12. We have to write the table of 6 and 12. Multiple, and lowest means that is the smallest in their common. We will write the lowest LCM. Okay. So how we will do? We will multiples. We have to, in LCM we have to write the multiples. That is table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Okay, like this. 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. Like this we have to write the multiples of 6. Same way we have to write the multiples of 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. Like this we have to write the multiples. Okay. Now we have to find common multiples. What are common in both? 12. Okay. Then what is common? 24. Now what is common? 36. What is common? 48. Okay. Now multiples we have written. Second step, common multiples we have written. Okay. Now we have to write what? LCM means lowest common multiple. What is lowest in this? Okay. The smallest number is what? 12. So that is your LCM. Okay. Second question we will do again. First we will write what? LCM we have to find. So first we will write multiples. Okay. Multiples means table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, like this. Then next number is 8, so table of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, like this we have to write. Now the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 twos are 48, like this. Okay, multiples we have written. Now what we have to write? Common multiples. Okay. What are common in these numbers? 24, 24, 24. More numbers we have to write so that we can find the common. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. 48, 48, 48. Okay? The common are 24, 48, like this. Okay? Now what we have to write? LCM means lowest common multiple. What is lowest here? In both the number 24. So your LCM will be 24. Okay, next question. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. How we will do? Okay, we will write like this. 2, 5 and 10. Like this we will write. Okay, in prime factorization method. Okay, now we will see the number from first 2. Okay, table of 2 first we will see. So table of 2, 2 comes one time. In the table of 2, 5 comes? No. So we will write 5 same. We will not do any change with the 5. Okay. In the table of 2 does 10 comes? Yes. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now which number you will write here? That is 5. Okay. Because in the table of 5, 5 comes. How many times? 1 time and 1 time. Now we have got 1. So our solution is done. Now the answer LCM is equals to this we will write. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. This is our answer. Okay. Same we will do the next question. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. Okay. How you will write? 8 here, 12 here. We will start with the table of 2. In the table of 2, 8 comes. Yes. 2 4s are 8. In the table of 2, 12 comes. Yes. 6 times. Again, the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now again we will take the table of 2. In the table of 2, 2 comes one time. In the table of 2, 3 comes? No. So we will bring the same number down. If it is not coming in that table, you will write the same number below. Okay. The next one, we will not write 1. What we will write? 3. Because in the table of 3, when there is a 3 comes, 3 times. First one time. Okay. 3 ones are 3. Now we will find the LCM. LCM is equals to, how will write? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. This is your LCM. Okay. Okay students, we will start with the word problems. First word problem is find the greatest number that can divide 437 and 545 when 3 and 5 are added to them respectively. Okay. Greatest number. Okay. We have learned HCF and LCM. HCF is highest common factor and LCM is lowest common factor. So for this when the greatest is written means we have to find what? HCF. Okay. So we'll find the HCF. But what is written? When 3 and 5 are added to these numbers. So 437. What is added to this number? 3. What will get? 440. Okay. And 545. What is added to this number? 5. Okay. So what will get? 550. Now what we have to find? The greatest number that can divide these two numbers. Okay. That means we have to find the HCF. Okay. We will find HCF by prime factorization method. Okay. We will write like this. So in the table of 2, 440 comes, like 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 0. And again in the table of 2, 2 comes 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. In the table of 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 2 5s are 10. So 55. Then 5 in the table of 5, 55 comes 11 times, 11 ones are 11. Okay. Same we will do this one. Okay. Divide 550 by 2, or you can directly divide by 10. Okay. In the table of 10, 550 divided by 10 is what? 55. Then in the table of 5, 55 comes 11 times, then 11 ones are 11. Same way you can do 440 also. I'll show another method. Directly also you can do. Okay. 440 you can divide by 10, what you will get? 44. Then in the table of 4, 11s are and 11s are 11. Like this also you can do. And with the smaller number also, with the 2 also you can do, which is easy. Okay. So now what we will write? 440 is equals to 10 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 11. And for 550, 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Okay. Now what we will take? Common. 10, 11 and 1 are common. So 10 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 1. Okay. 10 11s are 110 into 1. So that is your HCF. Okay. This 110 divides 440 and 550 exactly. Okay. Now next question. The product of two numbers is 108 and their LCM is 36. Find the HCF. Product of two numbers is given. LCM is given. We have to find the HCF. For HCF, one formula is there. HCF is equals to product of two numbers divided by LCM. What is the formula? HCF is equals to product of two numbers divided by LCM. What is the product of two numbers? 108. What is LCM given? 36. In the table of 36, when does the 108 comes? 3 times. So what is HCF? Is equals to 3. Okay students, this way we have completed our chapter 6. Complete your work in your fair notebook. Thank you.